Parking area.
Please move to the second floor.
The bridge is down.
Please proceed. Maintain a safe speed. Thank you for your cooperation. Use your parking pass for entry.
The bridge is about to be lowered. Please wait. Caution. Oh no.
Help me.
That's hurt.
It's my fault. I'll fix it right now. How to build the movable bridge. Step 1. Build the support bar. Part 2. Step 2. Connect Part 1 plus Part 2 of support bar. Step 3. Build the main pillar. Step 4. Connect support bar plus main pillar. Connect. Step 5. Testing. Please wait until the bridge is fully down. Please maintain a safe speed. Slow down and ensure safety.
I'm sorry, are you okay?
Terrible. Someone has to upgrade this movable bridge.
Add the bridge. Add the engine. How does it work? Ramp access here. Ramp exit here. Please use the empty spaces for parking.
A few moments later.
Let's come back home. Hey, caution.
Stop.
Tickets are currently being verified. All clear. Have a nice day.
A river in the forest.
We're at the research area, buddy. The river here is severely polluted. I'll go down and take a water sample. The dirty water turned you into a zombie.
How to build the water cleaning machine. Step 1. Build the truck body. I have assembled 2 identical parts. The legs. The battery box. The motors. The tray. Step 2. Build the conveyor belts. The tread links. The first conveyor belt is done. I will build the second conveyor belt. The tread links. The second conveyor belt is done. Step 3. Connect all components. Connect to the battery box. Water cleaning machine is ready. The duckweed are being carried up the conveyor and falling into the trash tray. The cleaning truck can turn around and continue collecting trash from the other corner of the river. All the trash has been removed.
The river is clean, buddy. Let's take another sample.
OMG, I'm a zombie too.
Playing area.
My Orbeez spilled everywhere.
Mine too.
How to collect these Orbeez now?
Making the cleaning vehicle on sand. Step 1. Build the truck body. Install 6 gears. I have assembled 2 identical parts. Connect them together. The legs. Install for the legs. Install the battery box. Install the motor. Connect to the battery box. Finally, install the tray to the body. Step 2. Build the conveyor belts. Install the tread link. The first conveyor belt is done. I will build the second conveyor belt. These ridges made of Lego barbs will support the Orbeez as they roll up. Add the wheels. Add the motor. Testing. We need to secure the area before cleaning up the Orbeez.
This cleaning truck looks great.
Let's start collecting the Orbeez.
The conveyor is pulling the Orbeez from the first pile onto the tray. Now, the cleaning truck is moving to another pile of Orbeez. No more Orbeez here. The truck will turn around and continue its work.
All of the Orbeez have been gathered up.
Please return Orbeez to our car.
At this intersection, it's been pouring rain since last night till this morning.
It's raining so heavy. How lucky, I got away in time.
The tunnel is flooded. Should I go down there? Oh no, my car is sinking. Someone help me.
The rescue team is here.
Thanks for saving me.
Everyone, please stop your vehicles.
What happened?
This is a mess.
I need to drain this tunnel quickly. A lot of water is getting sucked into the truck.
How to build the water suction truck. Step 1. Build the truck body. First, I'm going to build the rear chassis. The motor. The wheel. Now, I'll build the front chassis. Connect the 2 chassis. These front wheels can help the truck steer left and right. Connect to the battery box. Next, I'll build the cabin. Step 2. Build the water suction tank. Plastic water bottle. Plastic tube. Testing. Bowl of water. Let's see how it sucks up water.
Just a little water left in the tunnel. I need to go down there.
After multiple rounds of suction, the water in the tunnel has gone down a lot.
Let's keep sucking up water.
Before. After.
The tunnel has been drained completely.
Everyone can pass through it now.
Have a nice day. This garden is full of grass. It's time to trim the garden. This is a mess. I have to build the lawnmower now.
How to build the lawnmower. Step 1. Build the mower blades. Add the gears. Add the sweeper. Add the gears. Step 2. Build the body. Add the wheels. Add the battery box. Connect mower blades to the body. Testing. Low reach sweeping.
It's ready to go. Let's get started. Cutting the grass now. Great job. What happened? Come on, come on. It's out of control. Oh my god. The grass grew so fast. I can fix this right away. It's time for my little sheep. All put together. Time to mow the lawn.
Another way to build lawnmower. Step 1. Build the cutting deck. Step 2. Build the body. Step 3. Connect cutting deck to the body. Testing.
Attention passengers, the train is arriving at Station 3.
This canal is so dirty.
This must be where people dump trash.
No littering allowed here.
Oh no, no dumping allowed.
We must fix our mistake.
How to build the canal cleaning cable cab. Step 1. Build the supporting tower. Bull wheel. The gears. The motor. Connect to the battery box. We will need 4 towers in total. Step 2. Build the garbage mesh. Step 3. Set up the cable. I'll add 4 towers at both ends of the 2 rivers, and then add the cable and 4 garbage meshes.
The cable car trash cleaning system is done. Let's start cleaning up.
Hooray!
Wow! This cable car is amazing. Whoa, all the trash is gone. Let's take the trash to the dumping site.
The garbage train has arrived.
The train will take them to the landfill. The canals are so clean.
It's beautiful.
What should we do with this cable car now?
Let's turn it into a cable tour. I can see the whole town from here.
Such a clever idea.
Wow!
This is so much fun.